Hey everyone, this is your favorite realtor, Norm, and I'm coming to you today with a topic about realtor versus mortgage lender. Now, if you're not in the business every day, you might think these two people are the same thing. And just want to share with you a couple of thoughts on how they're different, how they work for you, and help you accomplish what you're trying to accomplish in the real estate world. So I'm Norm O'Neill, Keller Williams, and just to jump into it a little bit, the realtor's role is this. The realtor helps you with the property transaction. They're helping you get from A to Z and everything in between. What does that mean? Well, primarily, we're going to be your first person that is a resource, somebody you can reach out to, questions, concerns, how does this all come together? And that's the realtor's role. They're going to be with you from the beginning and then to the end. And then in the short term, the realtor's role would be this, to help you with the property transactions. This is everything to do with securing your next property, whether it's the sale or it's a purchase. So this also could include renting. What does a realtor do in terms of market analysis? The market analysis is your chance to connect with a local professional, a realtor like myself, to give you an idea, is the property fairly priced? What is a fair price for a property you may be interested in? This is market analysis, help you make informed decisions, also help you with your negotiation, things of that nature. The other piece of this is the property search itself. A lot of folks think because today everything is online. That's true. It's also so much information. You almost need somebody to help you navigate it, figure out what it means to you and your specific need. In this property search, questions like this are going to come up. What this means is this. So the other piece of this is with the property search, you're going to need to know what properties are available to you, either to purchase or to compare to. And as a realtor, I have access to the MLS. The MLS is your multiple listing search. That is a tool we use to see what's either currently on the market or sold recently. There's also a realtor like myself. I'm going to be in conversation with other realtors. So occasionally properties sell without going into the MLS. This would be an off-market property. I'd be able to give you that information as well, whether it's a coming soon property or maybe some type of private sale. The other piece of this is, as a realtor, I'm going to be walking alongside you in these negotiations on a regular basis. Whether we're negotiating with a seller or a buyer or some type of inspector, I'll be able to help you negotiate the terms, tell you kind of what's best practices, and give you some idea on what other clients are experiencing so that you can get the best deal possible. So remember, with the realtor, we're going to be working together with a lot of communication. Realtors communicate extensively with their clients. I'm keeping you informed about market trends, property availability, and then the whole transaction process. If you're a seller, you may want to talk about open houses. That's something that may affect you positively. If you're a buyer, you're certainly going to want to know via my resources what open houses are available to you and when you're out home searching. And then the other thing is, what makes a realtor in Virginia? In Virginia, you have to be a licensed realtor. You have to do continuing ed just to keep your license current. That license is validated by a state board. And then again, that's the pre-licensing education. And then once you become a realtor, there's the passing of continuing ed is something you have to keep up with. Something you might want to look with affiliation within a realtor is their affiliation. That's the National Association of Realtors. That's also Northern Virginia Association of Realtors, NVAR. Those are two credentials that I carry, and the realtor you work with, you want to look for that. So here we're at the roles and responsibilities right at the top here, and primarily I'm involved in facilitating the real estate transactions. Clients buy, sell, or rent. We talked about the market analysis, and Really so much more to it. The other piece of this is the mortgage lender. If you're going to be borrowing money to purchase your property, then you're going to be involved with some type of mortgage lender. The mortgage lender, they're the gatekeeper to the money. They are in this role to help you fill out the application to borrow the money, and then help you assess your own financial situation, and then determine, what is the best mortgage strategy for you overall. So you can already see the difference. I'm helping you with the housing. I'm helping you with an A to Z approach. A mortgage lender, very specific. They're going to help you secure the money, talk to you about a financing strategy, and then go forward from there. Now, the mortgage lender has someone else in their office that they work with. That's called the underwriter. The underwriter, they evaluate all the loan applications from the mortgage lender. They assess factors, credit history, and then may ask some follow-up questions, or may ask you for additional paperwork. But the underwriter is on the mortgage lender side of the house. Excuse me. And then ultimately, the underwriter will give you a loan approval. You'll hear about your loan approval through your mortgage lender, and then you'll know exactly what you can expect in terms of what the fees are, what you're approved for, what your monthly payment's going to look like, and things of that nature. And then, of course, when you close on the property, then that mortgage lender will begin servicing the loan. That means they'll start sending you monthly bills to remind you to pay your monthly mortgage. So the other thing is that the mortgage lender does is they're just there to help you understand what your options are in terms of financial guidance to make a purchase, and what that looks like in terms of a strategy. You can see they're going to be very, very important. They're going to come in, play a role, and then help you purchase a property at settlement. The realtor, again, it's more than just one piece of this. I'm helping you from the beginning to the end. We'll meet the mortgage lender. We'll likely meet a home inspector. We may meet an appraiser. We may meet other types of inspectors, things of that nature. So there's a lot more to it, and I'm happy to play this role. I really enjoy paying attention to the details, giving you options, and then supporting you in your choice. So mortgage lenders in Virginia, just so you know, they do have to be licensed as well. And it's been my pleasure to talk to you. This is Norm O'Neill, callnorm.com. Any questions, concerns, hallucinations, call Norm.